Hello, welcome to Trains Infinitic and an update on how the packing away is going. I'm not quite sure why the coloration on my face is too bad. Actually I do, because I got that light up there, so try to block that. So in this video I'll show you what I have got done so far, what the next week plan is, and then there's a few details which you normally wouldn't have seen, but from packing away you'll get to see some of them. So let's start the title and then I can chat to you. So for the people who know, you can skip this bit, but for the people who don't know, I'm packing away for Model Railway so that next year when I finish uni I can go to wherever there are the jobs I want. So I want to take time to pack away for Railway nicely. So what have I achieved so far? I have got all my locos and rolling stock packed away, apart from other stuff from that boxes which I keep on display in my bedroom. I have a nice display cabinet, so that's what those boxes go. As well as packing it all away, I have it recorded so I know exactly what I've got. So that's about 100 pieces of locos and stock and about 20 or 30 Scaldale buildings and accessories. So they're all packed away, recorded what I got and put away. Then you'll notice there's no wood along here. I can put my hands out. That's whereabouts I normally have you sitting when I'm sitting over there. So what I'll do is I'll show you that being taken away, which I recorded on my GoPro. So I'll come back in a moment. One of the biggest things I've been doing is organising everything. So what I've got for the smaller items are some boxes. So this box here will have clearly marked on it what's in it. Then this will be recorded and I'll know this box here is in another box and whereabouts it is. So when I come back to setting up the new layout, which some very basic plans have been designed and some basic decisions have been made, I'll know the train I want is in box 1, or the roadway is in box 3 sub box A. So I'm making sure to record everything I got, so that when it comes to unpacking, it will be an easy procedure. And also it means that by recording everything I got, I know what I need to buy before the next layout going to get built. But one of the biggest change have been this area here, which is where about the main station is. I'll move you around and talk you through what you can actually see, as it's a view which you haven't been able to see for such a long time. I think it's even before the layout started, so let's move you around. The last time you could see this was before I actually started my channel. So along the back is where about the preserve line was. This was the middle line and this was the other line. The platform is something we built, and if you see just there, I had to screw it in because it had a bit of a banana-ing to it. Then over there are the shops and houses. I actually like how they look, and they're going to be packed away this week. You can also see the roadway just there, so that's another thing for me to pack away. Most of it will be going in one of the brown boxes, but there's a few bits which will be needing to be protected and put in separate boxes. So you can see I'm getting there with the taking away. Unfortunately, this track I don't think I'm going to be able to save, as it's properly stuck down. There are methods to try to rescue this track. Because it's just glue, you can just go and get it wet, and in theory the track should just lift up. Another option is to lift it up like so by just putting something underneath it, and you can see that it does come up, but you also have a chance of doing damage to it, as this is glued and pinned. But I do want to do my best to try to save it. So as you can see, just put your chisel underneath and it should be able to come out. So that's being held down by a trap pin. Take out the trap pin. You can see at that point I was using 4 bits of wire to the track, 2 on each side, but that's just overkill. So potentially that's a piece of track that can be reused. So that's going to be a major job, trying to see how much I can reuse, as this is about £5 per strip roughly. Might be more, might be less, but my aim for the next week is to start over here and get along to here and remove these boards. So there's still quite a bit of work to do, but you can see that there is a lot of potential to save the track, or save parts of a track. So let me move you around and I'll talk to you about Monday's quiz. So for the people who live in the UK, you'll know that Monday is a bank holiday, and we all know that I like doing the odd quiz. So Monday, instead of an update video or anything on those lines, we're going to have a quiz which will be 25 questions, and this time there's a prize. I showed it on Wednesday's live stream, and it's a train tech kit to add lights to a building or whatever you want to add it to. So that's what the prize will be. So what you need to do if you want to take part is to be on my channel for 8 o'clock in the evening on Monday. So that's 8 o'clock British Summer Time. You need to have a piece of paper with 1 to 25 written down on it. And you need to have some way to take a photo of your answers to email it to me so I can decide who the winner is. I know that there's an opening for cheating with it, but I trust all my viewers. So whoever gets the highest points will be able to will be the winners. So the 25 questions, and there's going to be some model railways question, some musical questions, some amusement park questions, and then 2 lots which I haven't thought about yet. So that's going to be Monday 8 o'clock. Join me on Trains in the Arctic for the Trains in the Arctic end of summer bank holiday quiz. So that's about it. So thank you for watching. I didn't realise I'd be able to save that track. I've given myself a little bit more work, but the more track I can save, the better. As like I said, the track have got quite expensive over time. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment. Monday 8 o'clock on my channel, my live quiz. Wednesday 8 o'clock my weekly live stream. Then next Saturday will be a video of what I've been up to over the week on removing this railway. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you very much, Richard.